here. It's a different adjustment from the occiput where your base of your skull is all the way down. Lay on your back with your head here. I'll put you right where you need to be. You're taller than most, so it's gonna go all the way up. The most uncomfortable part of the whole thing is the pins, okay?
Okay.
And scoot down quite a bit. Right there's good. Push on those pins a little bit like you're going that way. Push this way.
Push it like that way. Okay.
You're not going anywhere, right?
No.